Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my review, and today we'll be talking about Galaxy S11 next generation Galaxy Fold in detail and everything we know so far. So Samsung has introduced the Galaxy S series phone during an unpacked event that is usually held around the time of Mobile World Congress MWC trade show in Barcelona. Next year MWC kicks off on February 24th, and according to the tipster Ice Universe, the Galaxy S11 line will meet the public on February 18th in San Francisco. In addition to the Galaxy S11, the tipster adds that Samsung will introduce its second foldable phone on that date. Unlike the Galaxy Fold, the model uses the same clamshell design as the Motorola Razr. Samsung though is looking to move away from its first foldable in more ways than just the form factor. A recent rumor of Korea calls for Samsung clamshell phone to be priced at around $840 that compares to 1980 tag worn by the Galaxy Fold and 1500 price tag by Motorola Razr. So by this we can just guess that the specifications are not going to be that great, but the mechanism will cost us much more than the specification. As for Samsung's first flagship series of 2020, the Galaxy S11e could feature 6.2-inch display, while Galaxy S11 might support 6.5-inch display. The Galaxy S11 will keep the 6.8-inch screen size found in Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and we could see 120Hz refresh rate on all three models. All the Galaxy S11 units should be powered by Snapdragon 865 mobile platform in the States. The Galaxy S11 Plus could both feature 5 cameras on the back, including a 108 megapixel primary camera providing 27 megapixel images with pixel binning, an ultra-wide camera, a telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom, a periscope telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, and a time of flight sensor. We have also seen many reports that says to expect 8K video recording on the Galaxy S11 line. It most likely will record the resolution at 30 fps and will rely on the 108 megapixel sensor. The huge sensor could also work with the two telephoto cameras to provide users up to 50x hybrid zoom and 100x digital zoom. So these are all the news we have so far. So if we get any further news, then we'll be mentioning that in our video. Until that, stay subscribed to our channel, like the videos if you liked it, and till my next video, peace.